Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm with Android 12, and I'll show you how to change the lock screen clock and its color, since that's all we can do right now. You have to unlock your phone, open the settings, and if you want to get rid of this clock on the black screen, go to Display. Then tap on Lock Screen and find the option, Always Show Time and Info, to turn it off. Now when you lock your screen, the clock is gone. But if you want to change the clock color on the lock screen, go back to Wallpaper and Style. Here you can pick different colors from wallpaper or basic colors. If you want to change the exact theme to another one, unfortunately we don't have that option right now, but maybe they'll add it in new Android 12 updates. That's it. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.